Okay, in this video I'm going to show you one final time how the model axis really can help, and that's with multiple single unit restorations, especially inlays and crowns that are on different paths of insertion. So in this case you can see we're doing an inlay on 12, an inlay on 15, and a crown on 14. You can see from the model icon we haven't discussed those cases yet. We're actually milling the models as well for this case. So let's go back to the model axis step. Now, like we discussed before, the very first step we're going to do is we're going to position this in the arch correctly. Now, I don't want you to pay too much attention to, you can see we have different paths of insertion on tooth number 15 as we do to tooth number 14 and tooth number 12. We just want to get the model in the correct position here and not worry too much about having all these draw with each other at this point. So this looks close enough for me now. We're going to hit OK and then move on to the margination stage. Okay, so I went ahead and we've got all these marginated here, the two inlays on tooth number 12 and 15, and then we've got the crown on tooth number 14. So what we can do here is let's keep number 15 highlighted. Let's go to define insertion axis, and you can see that what we can do here is, we kept the model axis the same. We didn't alter that, so we can just go ahead and adjust the milling axis. So we've got the milling axis set for tooth number 15. Let's go ahead and hit OK. We'll go to 14. Choose insertion axis for 14. Maybe we want to move that somewhere in the neighborhood of here. We'll hit OK. Then we'll hit 12. Insertion axis. And maybe we'll go to somewhere in that neighborhood. Now, to get all these to calculate at the same time, since the parameters come up first, we need to go 12, we need to arrow forward, 14, arrow forward, 15, arrow forward, and now let's go ahead and calculate all three of the restorations. Okay, so there's our initial proposal for the crown and the two inlays. One of the really nice things in cases like this is the model axis that we set in that first stage is going to go ahead and really have a lot to do with our proposals, and then we can go ahead and just switch the insertion axes individually with that little arrow bullseye, so we don't have to keep on rotating the model and worry about different contact issues and things like that. So this is a huge improvement with inLAB in comparison to other softwares. And I hope that these three videos help it clear it up a little bit what and how to use these functions.